We'll have EV1 egress out of the airlock first. They'll get handed out the strut bag, which is a fairly substantial bag. It's about 8 feet long, along with the cable bag. Once EV2 egresses, they'll be handed the cable bag. And then EV1 will start heading out towards the starboard 6 location. This is pretty far, so they actually end up setting up safety tethers for both crew members and what we call slingshots to get both the crew members as far out towards the field. EV2 will be making a pit stop to pick up what we call WIFX, a website interface extension piece of hardware. They'll then install that at our website along with ADFR, the portable foot restraint, to get into a position to be able to install the hardware. In that time, EV1 will be putting together the upper triangle, but we will be actually building out at the website, so EV1 will go ahead and assemble that full upper triangle at that integrated equipment assembly. And once that assembly is complete, they'll hand that upper triangle up to EV2 to actually snap into the canister of the
I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Once that upper triangle is assembled, we start into the struts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up,
start filling out the right strut and the left strut, so that will first get handed up into the APFR, the foot restraint member, followed by bottom circle bolster, driven by EV1.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of
and those get torqued down, and then the EV1 crew member will swing around to the other side to assemble the mid strut, so that'll again be back into the side of the
thoughts in my
DGA.
head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it.
Once those are complete, the free-floating EV1 crew member will go grab the second, in this case the left strut, again fly over to the other side of the BGA, and we'll get those installed in a very similar fashion to the right strut.
I had to do it all myself.
Once those are torqued down, similarly we'll install the mid strut on that side, and fasten those both to the canister side and then the platform of the upper triangle. Once that's complete, we go ahead and route some cable for the eventual install of the roll-out tow array. This is also where we tighten some bolts on the mid strut, which have collars on them. They're kind of extending, telescoping rods, so those will get tightened down along with cinching all the MLI, that the thermal insulation down. We'll route those cables. One of the big tasks we have after the full assembly is complete is actually relocating that equipment to different locations in the area of 3 Bravo to ensure that those are in adequate positions to save time for the installation EVA. We'll then clean up our bags and start headed back to the airlock, with EV2 heading in first, heading in the cable bag, followed by EV1.